What is bookkeeping?
Bookkeeping is simply keeping up with what you have, what you owe and what is yours. It also includes determining if you made a profit or had a loss.
What are profits and losses?
Good question. Profits occur when revenues or sales are more than costs and expenses. Losses occur when costs and expenses are more than revenues. Mr. Nerd, you are asking good questions. Continue.
What records are needed to do proper bookkeeping?
The first records that enter the bookkeeping process are called source documents and provide proof that a transaction has occurred.
Professor, can you provide some examples of source documents?
Sure I can. Examples of source documents include checks, deposit slips, bank statements, and customer and supplier invoices.
Okay, I got it now. What is a transaction?
Good. I see you have been paying attention. A transaction is simply a business deal or agreement. Simply stated, a transaction is any event that affects the financial condition of a business, such as buying and selling.
How are transactions grouped or organized?
Well, Mr. Nerd, you are smarter than you look. Transactions are grouped into accounts. I already know your next question. What is an account? An account is a separate record that summarizes and groups the transactions into categories. An account summarizes the increases, decreases, and the resulting ending balance for a period. Beginning balance plus increases minus decreases equals ending account balance.
Are there other records used to group and summarize transactions?
Yes, there are. Let's discuss journals. Journals are the first records used to enter business transactions. They are commonly referred to as the books of original entry.
Can you give me some examples?
Thought you would never ask. Examples of journals are cash receipts journal, cash payments journal, purchases journal, sales journal. The journals are called special journals. They group like types of transactions together.
I am a little confused. Can you provide some additional guidance?
Some examples will help. All cash received is recorded in the cash receipts journal. All cash payments are recorded in the cash payments journal. Are we ready to discuss another record used to organize and summarize our transactions?
I am good. Continue.
Our next record we will discuss is called the General Ledger. The General Ledger is a record that is a summary of all the accounts used by a business to record its transactions.
Are there any additional records and reports?
Yes. The records we have discussed post and summarize business transactions. Balance sheet. What we have and who owns it. Income statement. Did we make or lose money? Let's summarize the questions we discussed and answered.
Okay, I learned quite a bit.
What is bookkeeping? What are transactions? What are profits and losses? What are source documents? What are accounts? What are journals? What is a general ledger? Thanks for watching, and I hope you picked up some additional knowledge. A special thanks to Ron Leishman for the cartoons.